Hi there, Clive. Bet they're enjoying the sunshine out there, being koalas. Plenty of it around today as well for the first day of February, and that follows on from what was the sunniest January on record across England, thanks to exceptional amounts of sunshine in these eastern weather stations. And you're probably well aware it wasn't just sunny, it was a particularly dry January for most. Most places falling well below the 100%, which would represent the average rainfall for the month, driest of all in the south and the east. But we did finish January on a very windy note, and we have started February in the same vein, particularly in northern Scotland, whipping up some rough seas in Highland earlier on. And it's in those same areas which bore the brunt, of course, of the strong winds and the storms over the weekend. 40, 50, 60 mile an hour gusts, maybe a little bit more towards Orkney and Shetland through the rest today, just hampering the recovery process and causing a little bit further damage and disruption. All due to this area of low pressure, which is bringing snow into Scandinavia, but it's also dragging in slightly fresher air to northern and eastern areas to the rest of today. Mild to the air, the yellow colours here down towards the south and west.
Hello, good afternoon. You probably don't need me to tell you that it's quite a nice day outside for this time of year across the capital. It was a cloudy, milder start earlier on this morning, but we've since seen a lot of that cloud break up to give us some decent spells of sunshine, plenty of blue sky as well for many of us, as captured by our weather watchers here in Greenford and again Sue in Barking.
So the 1st of February brought us some cracking starts across the capital. Here we go. This is Twickenham. Also some beautiful sunshine for these girls. They must have run themselves ragged. And also with her feet up, living her best life on behalf of us all, Barbara. So tomorrow, a fairly similar story, really. Some more sunny spells, a bit of cloud mixed in there. Probably a bit of uncertainty like today about the balance between the sunshine and the cloud. But it's looking like a nice mild day once again, with actually slightly lighter winds tomorrow.
Not quite as stormy at the moment, thankfully, Sophie, looking at those photos, but we have been looking at some other stats today, actually. Stats from January. After the dull December, it's been the sunniest January record for England. But interestingly, that means that we've had clear skies. So overnight, we've had more frost in England than we had in Scotland. Hello.
Hello, thank you, Rita. We'll start off February by looking back at January. Now, did you do dry January? Because the weather certainly did. 30% of our average rainfall only for us across the London area, but a little bit more sunshine than we're usually used to. Across England as a whole, of course, it was very sunny indeed. Big area of high pressure with us, gave us all that sunshine and the dry weather, and it was sunny again today, a little bit more sunshine than we expected actually. We've got some beautiful sunset photos on our BBC Weather Watchers website, so do take a look. Too many of course to show you right now, but some lovely pink and purple skies here. So what of the rest of the week? Well, the dry theme continues. There will be some outbreaks of rain I think on Friday morning from this cold front sinking southeastwards. It's going to be quite windy at times, not as windy as it was today or yesterday though. And temperature-wise, mild and then feeling colder.
A very good evening to you. It's been a remarkably mild start to the new month. Temperatures topped 15 degrees today, way above average given the time of year, even with blustery winds. As the end of the week, a colder blip as temperatures fall a fair few degrees by then. In the meantime, relatively mild, if quite blustery, some rain on and off through parts of Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland. And temperatures remain a little above average for the time of year until the end of the week. This system sinking its way from north to south, introducing much colder air into Friday, and a wintry theme for some of us as we approach the weekend, one to watch in the next few days.